How to disable BitLocker recovery key on your Windows 11. So I will show the perfect process. So let me start the video. So come to the Windows screen, come to the search bar and search for system, and here on the system, or you can simply do right click on this tool, the taskbar, on window, and go to the systems, and under the system you just scroll down, and here you can see the BitLocker option. Just click on it. So in my case, my BitLocker is already off. Okay, so if you want to disable your BitLocker, then you can see the more here option that turn BitLocker off. Okay, so you need to click on it, then you need to follow that screen instructions, and then your BitLocker recovery key will be off. Okay, so BitLocker recovery key will be off. Okay, so thank you for watching.